A mysterious object has entered our solar system, and it's getting closer. They're calling it 3I Atlas. It's not a star. It's not a comet like we've seen before, and it's definitely not behaving like it should. Three I Atlas was first detected by deep space telescopes just outside the orbit of Jupiter. At first glance, it looked like a rogue comet, a wandering body, drifting alone through space. But then, its path changed. It began heading toward our solar system, and then toward Earth. That's when scientists sat up and took notice. Here's what we know. On 1st July 2025, the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile spotted the object initially labeled A11PL3Z. Within hours, follow-up observations showed its orbit was hyperbolic, meaning it's not bound by the sun's gravity and must have come from outside our solar system. That classification gives it the name 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever officially confirmed to pass through our solar system. The earlier ones were 1I Oumuamua, 2017, and 2I Borisov, 2019. Analysis of its path suggests it came from the Milky Way's thick disk, a region of very ancient stars. Because of that, scientists estimate the object could be 5 to 10 billion years old, maybe even older than our own solar system. And yes, even though it was discovered in July, archived telescope data, including from the Space Telescope TESS, show it was silently being tracked in May and June, meaning we haven't known about it right from the start. What's special, 3I Atlas is large, 10-20 km per estimated, showing clear action, a coma, a tail, but with odd behavior and composition, high carbon dioxide relative to water, which hints that it formed under very different conditions from most comets we've seen. Three I Atlas doesn't emit light like a classic star or behave like a typical comet. It's coma pulses. Jets of gas stream from its surface, sometimes pointed toward the sun. Its speed, trajectory, and composition all raise eyebrows. Despite being outside for billions of years, it's now active, venting gases and dust as it approaches the sun. And because it's interstellar, we're looking at what may be the most pristine sample we have of another star system. Let's assume it keeps coming. What then? Firstly, it doesn't pose a known threat. Astronomers have calculated it won't hit Earth. But the question is, what happens as it gets closer? Could it interfere with satellites? Enter deep into our solar system's gravitational field? Or, and this is where things get interesting, what if it holds clues to technology or even something we haven't yet considered? We're not saying it's an alien starship, but we're not saying that either. We don't know exactly what 3I Atlas really is, but we know it's not from around here, and every day, it's getting closer. What do you think 3i Atlas really is? A relic of another era? A messenger? Or something we've never imagined? Drop your theory in the comments, and if you want to follow this mystery as it unfolds, subscribe and hit the bell.